So Adwoa Beauty came out with the new Melon Berry Smoothing Gel, and yeah. So Adwoa Beauty came out with this new Melon Berry line. So first up in the line was the Melon Berry Hair Milk, which is a leave-in conditioner. It is a cream to spray leave-in conditioner. So first up, this Melon Berry line was created for fine hair, and I guess I could say my hair is semi-fine, but regardless, after trying this hair milk, I just had to try the gel. So the new Melonberry Smoothing Gel is made with vitamin C, again, also for fine hair. This gel has like a custard consistency. I would definitely recommend emulsifying the gel in your hands before applying to your hair. And also, this gel is pretty thick, so a little goes a long way. So I did come across 2 reviews so far on YouTube for the Melonberry Smoothing Gel, and both reviews, the lady said that they did get some flaking when using the gel. I would definitely say that a little goes a long way with this gel. So anytime you use too much product, you can have some flaking. Also, when you mix with other products, there could be some flaking if the products are not compatible. I did not experience flaking. However, I did have a little bit of the product left over when I was taking down my rollers, but a little oil helped to fix that problem. But again, I definitely recommend using just a small amount. A little goes a long way. This gel is amazing, has great slip, gives great definition, and yeah. Keep on watching. And I forgot to mention the smell. The smell is a 10 out of 10. Ah, smells delicious. So for styling, we are doing a twist and curl. So we're twisting in medium sections about 80% of the way down and then adding perm rods at the end. So I did sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes and then let the rest dry overnight. And let's get into these results. So I would say that this gel had a medium hold, definitely gave some great definition. I am definitely impressed, not surprised by the results of this twist out, because Adwoa Beauty products, if you've not tried them before, they are amazing. From the original line to the Blue Tansy line, and now this Melonberry line. If you've not tried Adwoa Beauty yet, I definitely highly recommend it. So I'm just going in and separating my twist, and then I'll go back in and separate each section one more time, do some fluffing, and I'll be back with the final results. here are my final results. I'm absolutely obsessed. I love the definition. I love the volume. Let me know in the comment sections what you think about this new Melonberry gel. If you've tried it yet, what you think about my results. I'm absolutely loving it. So if you know, you know, and if you don't, I was definitely trying to get a thumbnail in while I was recording here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.